Good evening everyone and welcome to our daily weather update. I'm Yuha Bifomoso, grade for Emerald, and I'm here to bring you the latest on today's weather forecast. The weather forecast for the Philippines on March 17, 2025 is expected to be hot with average temperature ranging from 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. There's a 40% chance of rain with a minimal to no rainfall expected in most areas. Here's breakdown of weather forecast for specific region in Philippines. Northern Luzon, partly cloudy skies with a high temperature of 31 degrees Celsius. Metro Manila, hot and humid with a high temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. Visayas, partly cloudy skies with a high temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. Mindanao, hot and humid with a high temperature of 33 degrees Celsius. So if you have any outdoor plans, it's look like the perfect opportunity to soak up some vitamin D and enjoy the pleasant weather.